Today I will describe you operators. What is operators? See, first let me describe you only about plus operator. How plus operator works in Java language. So plus operator shows two different behavior in Java. First one is if both operands are numbers, it perform addition operation. Both operands are number, which means 1 and 2. If both operands are number, in that case it will perform addition. If second one is any one of the operand or both the operands are a string, it behave as a concatenation operator. So what is concatenation? If I say 1 plus a, what will happen? It will give me output like as 1a. See over here, one operand is string. Any one of the operand or both operands are a string, it behaves as a concatenation operator. See, over here one operand is a string. If I have written this in a double quote, it will always consider as a string. Now let me show you to capital A plus capital B. What will be output for this? In a double quote, capital AB. Without space, it will combine both strings. See, I have given first character here, after that second character with a plus operand, but both are in a double quotes, which means I have written string over here. So without space, it will combine both of them. It will not give even space over here. So it will be considered like this. Let's proceed further with the Java example. Class example of operator. Public static void main string arguments. Let me make this plain text to Java text. Yeah. Now how it will work, let me show you to you. System.out.println. If I write over here 4 plus 6, what will be output for this? I already told you over here, if both are operands are a number, it will perform addition operation. See, over here it will perform addition operation. So it will give me output as a 10. Now, let me show it to you another thing. System.out.println. If I write like this over here, 4, 5 plus hello, how it will work? It will give me output like this. 5 hello. See, without space, it will combine both the operands because I have written string over here. It will combine both the operands. Over here, addition happened. See, addition has been happened. But over here, concatenation has happened. Concatenation. See, it combined both the operands. Now let me show you to another example, which is hello world. Now what will be output for this? It will combine both the strings without space. See what will be output for this? It will give me output like is hello world. It will be like this. It will combine both string. Over here again concatenation has been happened. Now let me show it to you another example. Hello six. What will happen? Again concatenation will be happen because one operand is a string over here. If both operands are numbers, in that case only addition will happen. If one operand is mentioned as a string, every time it will be combined. So now output will be hello 6. Without any space it will be give me output like this. So this is the concept of plus operator. When both are numbers, both operands are number, it will be considered as a plus operator and addition will happen. But only one, any operand or both operand are a string, always it will be considered as a concatenation and it will combine operands without any space. This will happen. Now let me save this program. Control S. Java chapter 29. Class name dot Java. Now I will move where I have saved the program. Yeah. Now I will replace this path with CMD. Command prompt will be open. Let me compile this program. Java C. Class name dot Java. Java space class name. Execution of program. See what happened. Let me show it to you over here. See, this is the output. This I already told you, right? Just a second. Yeah. See, this is I already told you over here what exactly happening. See, I already told you 10, 5, hello, hello world, hello 6. This is what happening. See, when both operands are numbers, in that case only addition will happen. Otherwise it will be concatenation will be always happen. It will combine both string. Whether it's a number or a string, if one of it is a string, it will combine both of it. Like this plus operator works in a Java language. Now let me show it to you another examples. If I write 10 plus 20, how it will work? See, this one is a string. This one will be always, see, this is a number, but I have written this in a double quotes. So it will be considered as a string. Always whatever I have written in a double quotes, it will be considered as a string. So this will give me output like as it will not give me output 30 over here. It will combine both of this because this is not a number. This is a string. So it will give me output like this 10, 20. It combine both number as well as string. It will give me output like this. Again concatenation is happened here. Now let me give you another example. If I write like this 10 plus 20 plus 30, what will be output of this? What will be output of this? Let me show it to you using paint. See what's happened here. Let me show it to you. If I write like this, what is this? 10 plus 20 plus 30. 30 is a string here. 10 plus 20 plus 30. See what happened here. Every time I have to take from left hand side. See, first two operands are numbers. So first it will be considered like, first it will take both this. See, first it will consider both these operands. So what will be output here? It will be like 30 plus 30 like this. Now what is next? I got one string and one number over here, right? So what will be next? Now it will be combine both of this. So my output will be like this 30 plus 30 in a double quotes, which means entire thing become a string here. So this will be output for me. See, whenever you write like this, always it will consider from left hand side. So these both are numbers. First addition will happen and after that this is a string. So now concatenation will happen. So output of this will be like this 30, 30. See, now listen carefully. What will happen? If I write like this, if I write 10 plus 30 plus 40, what will happen? First operand is string and rest two operand are numbers. What will happen here? As I said you previously, always you have to start from left hand side. So let me show it to you again over here. What was here? 10, 30, 40. 10, this is a string, plus 30 plus 40. Yeah, what will happen here? Always we have to consider from left hand side. So let's consider this first two operands. What is this? One is a string and another one is a number. So as I said you, if one operand is a string, always we have to do concatenation. So what will happen here? It will be like this 10, 30 plus 40. See what become here? One is a string and one is number. So again we have to combine the same. Again we have to combine 10, 30, 40. This will be output. everything will become a string now. Everything will be in a double quotes. This will be output of this equation. See, 10 plus 30 plus 40. This will be output. It will be again concatenation will be happen 10, 30, 40. Now let me show it to you with another example. If I write like this, 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40. What will happen? What will be output? What will happen? Is there any addition? Addition will be happen or concatenation? Again concatenation will be happen here. First of all, it will take these two operands, because every time we have to consider from left hand side, so it will take first two operands like this. It will become like this, 10, 20, and now what will happen? Plus 30 and plus 40. Again it will be add one more number. See, this become a string, and after that this is again number. What will happen? It will again concatenation will be happen. So we have to do concatenation over here. Again it will become 10, 20 and 30 plus 40. Now entire thing will become string here, 20, 30, 40. This will be a output of this. Again concatenation has happened. Whenever you write a single any of one operand as a string or each and every operand as a string, always concatenation will happen rather than addition. Over here again, see, first two operands are numbers, but last operand is string. So first we did addition, and after that we did concatenation. So this is the concept of plus operator in a Java language. Sometimes it performs as addition operation when each and every operands are numbers, but one of the operand is a string. In that case it will not consider that one as a number. It will be always considered as a string, and at that time concatenation will happen and it will combine all the operands. It will combine all the operands without space. That is known as the concatenation. Let me show it to you using another example. See, if I write like this, A plus B, what will happen? This is a string, this is the string, see, both are string here. So definitely it will happen again concatenation. It will combine both the string without space. This will be output, right? But now what will be output? If I write like this, A and B. See, these are not a string. If I write anything in a double quote, it will be considered as a string. But if I write anything in a single quote, it will be considered as a character. What will be output of this? What will be output of this? It will combine both the values, but over here addition will be happen of Unicodes. See, what is the Unicode of capital A and capital B? Over here, this is not a string. Both are not a string. In that case, definitely addition will happen. But how addition will happen? Addition will happen of Unicodes. What is Unicode? See, let me show it to you over here. See, these are Unicodes. If I see like this, the Unicode of capital A is 33 and Unicode of capital B is 34. So what will happen over here? It will be like this. Over here addition will be happen. It will be like this, 33 plus 34. Now I will get output like this. It will be 67. This will be output. Now let me show it to you with another example. If I write single quote small a plus 5. If I write like this, what will be happen? What is the Unicode of A? What is the Unicode of A over here? See, this is not capital A. This is small a. So every time when I write Unicode are a different values. Capital Unicode of small a is 97, but Unicode of capital A is 33. So I have to consider this value. Which one is 97? So over here it will be like this, 97 plus 5. See, 5 I haven't written in a single quote. In that case, directly it will be considered 5 as 5. So over now, output will be like this, 102. Now let me show it to you with a different example. If I write like this, small a plus 5. See, I have written both operands in a single quotes. Okay, so what will happen here? 5 also does have a Unicode. Okay, if I write anything in a single quote, it will be considered as a character. If I write anything in a double quote, it will be considered as a string. If I write anything in a single quote, it will consider as a character. If I write without single quote or double quote, and if those are numbers, it will be considered as numbers. Okay, so over here, what is the Unicode of A? 97 plus the Unicode of 5. This will be output of this. If I write like this, in a single quote, I am writing 1. Again in a single quote, I am writing 2. What will be output? It will take Unicode of both the numbers. See, each and every value, even whether it's a capital letter, whether it's a small letter, whether it's a number, whether it's a special characters, each and every value does have a Unicodes. Okay, so when I write anything in a single quote, it will automatically, compiler will consider its Unicode. Compiler will take Unicode of the values and after that it will combine the numbers, the Unicodes, not numbers. Let me save this program, Control S. Let me compile this, Java C, class name .java. Execution of program, class name, Java's place class name. See, I got output over here. What is the output? First I got 10 as I said you previously. After that I got 5 hello, hello world, hello 6. After that 10, 20. See, these are strings. 10, 20, 30, 30, 10, 30, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40 because 20 is a string. This is, and now it will combine both string without space. So this is the output of it. Mistake last time. This one is a Unicode of capital A, 65 and 66. This I need to consider, not this one. This is the Unicode of this. Double quotes Unicode is 34 and this is capital A's Unicode is 65 and 66. Let me change over here. This one will be 65 and this one will be 66. Now the output will be 131, which I already got over here. Again, what is the Unicode of A, small a? Unicode of small a is 97 plus 5. See, 5 I haven't written in a single quote. 5 I haven't written in a single quote. If I haven't written in that case, it will be considered as a number. So that's why 102 is output. Over here addition happens. See, in each and every case addition is happening, not concatenation. What is the, see, over here I have written both the values in a single quotes. So what is the Unicode of small a? 97. And what is the Unicode of 5? Let me show it to you over here. U will be output, and again both values I have written as characters, not a string, because I have written in single quotes. So again it will be considered Unicodes only. So I have to write like this. What is the Unicode of 1? For 5 Unicode is 53 and for 1 Unicode is I have to write like this, 49 plus 53. So this will be again output over here. See. So output over here is 150 and over here it will be, over here it will be 46. So this will be Unicode. 46 is a Unicode of 1 and 5 Unicode of 5 is 53. So over here addition will be happen like this. So this is a concept of a plus operator when it will be work as a concatenation and when addition will be happen. So this is the entire example. Each and every example I have taken for the same. I have taken both number, I have taken one string as well as one number, I have taken one character and one number, both characters, one is a string and one is a character, everything I describe over here. So this is the concept of plus operator in a Java language. When it will be considered as a concatenation and when it will be considered as the addition. This is the most important example for the same. So let me show it to you over here. So one note we have to take care is when we add two characters, the addition of Unicodes will happen as I show you over here. When we take both operand as a character, if I write like this in a single quote, it will be considered as a character and the addition of both operands will be happen. But over here it will take Unicodes of operands, not operands directly. If I write like this, it will take Unicode. In a Java language, capital A's Unicode is 65. It will be like this. So this is the note. When we add two characters, the addition of Unicodes will be happen. So this is the most important example of Java language. When you go for interview also, it will ask you some question regarding this. How this will work. If I write like this, how it will work. It can ask you programs also. And if they will give you directly a program, they can ask you what will be output of this, what will be output of this, what will be, they can take any example from this, because over here I have considered each and every example of Unicode as well as addition. I have considered each and every example of concatenation as well as addition. So make sure don't make any mistake while you write Java program or while you answer of any program. That's it for today. Thank you so much.